Alright, so today I opened up an old USB mouse, and inside this tiny board there's actually some clever engineering. So let's break it down under minutes. So right at the center you will see this black IC socket. This is where the optical sensor chip sits. And this chip tracks the movement by taking thousands of tiny photos of the surface every second. And it compares those images and calculates how far you moved the mouse. And this small clear plastic part next to it, it's the lens. It focuses the light into the surface so the sensor can read it accurately. And at the top you will see a red LED slot. This is the light source that shines into your table. And most cheap mice use a red LED, while gaming mice may use IR or laser for higher DPI. Now let's talk about the scroll wheel encoder. So this small black cylindrical component near in the middle is the scroll wheel encoder. So when you scroll, it rotates and sends pulses to the sensor chip. And that's how your computer knows which direction you scroll. And the buttons. So at the bottom there are two black switches, switch 1 and switch 2. So these are micro switches that register your left and right legs. So every click is just a tiny metal making the contact inside the switches. So this is the cable wire, and this white connector on this side, that's where the USB cable wire connects, and power, ground, data line to talk it to your PC directly. So that was what everything hiding inside a simple USB mouse with the LEDs, sensors, switches and the processor working non-stop. So if you like the breakdown video, then make sure to like, and thank you for watching.